Creative climate change, making art from nature. Connecting ourselves to nature.
Today we've been looking at how we can reconnect ourselves to nature, and we can use things we found outside like leaves and twigs to create art and to reuse them.
Gathering materials.
And we're gonna have a look at an artist quickly, watch a video.
Yeah.
To show us what we're gonna do with all of this.
Okay.
And then we'll create it outside.
Taking inspiration from other artists.
Okay, so we're looking at an artist today, and his name is Andy Goldsworthy. And he creates art using only natural things. So natural objects, things found in nature. So what kind of things can you see that he uses to create his art?
He made some sticks.
Some sticks. Lucy?
Leaves.
Leaves. What else can you see? Let's look at this one. Can you hold this one for me?
Feathers.
Feathers. Well, in these ones I can't see any feathers, but he probably does in some of his artwork.
Oh, I thought those were feathers.
These, do you know what? These are leaves, but in different colour tones.
Yeah, and he's
colours.
trying to make this is a portal. And
It does, doesn't it?
where
It
the
looks like
tree,
one.
where this tree landed is glowing too.
Excellent.
Creating artworks.
I like that. Well done. I love it. I like it.
Making letters with leaves.
Can I show you something? Let me show you. Alex, look. Watch Mummy. Oh, I like that.
Creating landscapes.
Because then it's like the birds are flying away. Also, I want to do it like different, like this, so it looks like they're
They
flapping.
really do look like birds, don't they?
Yeah, that's how I used to draw birds.
Using mud as ink. Turning bark into creatures. Weaving a cane into a star.
And what you want to do is about a foot long, bend it gently so you don't break it, and then bend it again about 4 inches. I don't know if that's 4 inches. 1, 2. Get a full shape like a 4, and then you want to bend it again there. And what you're doing is under, over, get the basic shape like this, then bend it there. Because it's over, now you want to go under, over, and around, bring it round all the way. Just twist it around a bit and you get a basic star. And be careful with this long tape. Make sure you don't poke your eye with it. Bend it backwards and feed it through there so you can tie it up. And you bend it or twist it around and put it through there so it doesn't come undone. And you have a basic star. That's That's it. Simple as that.